Which, if you think about it, graphic design is not a job for introverts for real. Like, when you're dealing with clients, it's a lot of like, it's very like customer service, like heavy, if you think about it. Like, you got to give your clients, like if you give your clients a certain amount of revisions, like, you know, you still got to make sure they're satisfied, make sure they're happy with what you designed and whatnot. You know, you've got to like follow up with them from time to time. You know, maybe send like subtle reminders, like, or like gifts, like letting them know like how much you appreciate it, like working with them, and you'd love to, you know, continue like doing stuff for them. It's a lot of like just nurturing relationships. So it's like a lot of relationship building actually.